Hi guys! In previous section we learned what is and how to use Selenium grid. Today we are starting section number 3 using Automated Test Cloud. In this section we will learn what is Automated Testing Cloud and what are the benefits of using it, and we will look at example how to run tests on Sauce Labs. Today in this video we will learn about Automated Testing Cloud. So what is Automated Testing Cloud? It's basically a Selenium grid that you don't need to set up and maintain, that allows you to run tests on hundreds of different browsers and OS combinations, including different versions of browsers. The benefits of Automated Testing Cloud, especially when we compare it to local grid, are hundreds of different browsers, platforms, operating system and device combinations, no need to maintain the grid, speed up test by running many parallel tests, new VM for every test which increases security and reduces test flake, use the language and framework of your choice to quickly integrate and run tests in cloud, easy test failure debugging with text logs, screenshots and even video recordings of each test, and even more features available. Probably the most popular automating testing clouds are Sauce Labs, BrowserStack and cross-browser testing. If you want to learn more about each of them, what they offer and what are the prices, here are the websites. So here's the website for cross-browsing testing from SmartBear, BrowserStack website, and my favorite, the Sauce Labs. Let's create free trial account here on Sauce Labs page. So let's click this free trial link here. As you see, we have 14 days to try it out. Also 100 minutes of automated testing, 60 minutes of manual testing, and we can run tests on 2 parallel VMs while using free trial. So go ahead and create free account for yourself.